Hey guys, and welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we're going to continue working with the employee class. Because I have it open, I'm going to go ahead and press run module. Now, the first thing we want to do is create an instance of the employee class. So I'm going to type emp equals employee with Sam and 1000. Each of the arguments that we pass gets mapped to the respective parameter in the class init method, so Sam is the name and his salary is 1000. Alright, so let's try to call the class methods. I'm going to type emp.displayEmployee with brackets and enter. So you can see that we get the information about Sam and his salary. Emp here is the object that we want to work with, and we use dot notation to call the object's displayInformation method. You can notice that I said objects method and not the classes method like I did in the last lecture. We've used emp as the identifier for the method call, so we know which object we're working with. This is similar to when we used self in the class definition, and in fact, emp gets passed implicitly as the argument for self in our method calls. Alright, so let's go ahead and give Sam a raise. We've decided we want to give him a 10% raise, so we're going to call emp.giveRaise 0.1. If we display information for Sam, you can see that we get Sam and 1100. Okay, so we know that those two methods are working correctly, but how about counting the number of employees? Well, let's create a new employee. We'll have emp2 equals employee with name Sarah and salary 2000. Let's call emp1.displayCount and emp2.displayCount. And you can see that we got 2 for both of them, which is right. I want to point out something that's different with Python. When we have the values name and salary in our object, these are not private variables. What that means is that we can actually access these values from outside of the class definition we made. For example, we can set empName equals Jerry. And then if we call emp.displayInformation, you can see that the name changed from Sam to Jerry. This behavior contrasts behavior in Java, in which class variables, if they're declared private, cannot be accessed from outside of the class. Alright, that's it for this lecture, and I'll see you guys next time.